All right. Hey guys, Mr. Kyle, Myers Mathematics, and let's just jump into it. We are doing a series on series. This is number 3. This is on OpenStax, so everybody has access to this, at least for the foreseeable future. And you can check this out. It's 5.1. I'll have all the details in the description below of like where I'm at and how to follow along. This is not from a particular textbook. I mean, I'm sure they have their own textbook. But anyways, all the details are in the description below, or you can check out the first video for number 1, where I took a little longer. But we'll go ahead and jump into it. We're going to find the first 6 terms of each of the following sequences, starting with n equals 1. So they're saying for n greater than 2, there's like a certain pattern. But for when n is 1, it's just 1. So literally they gave us the first answer. This is the first answer. So when n is 1, the sequence is just 1 because it says a sub 1 is 1. So a sub n when n is 1 is 1. They gave it to us. Okay. Then for n equals 2, we would plug in a 2. So a sub 2 would be equal to a sub 2 minus 1, as in a sub 1 plus n, and remember n is 2, so we're plugging in 2. So a sub 1 we already have. A sub 1 is 1, so that's just going to be 1 plus 2, which is 3. All right, so that time there's a little bit more to simplify there, but we got 3. Okay, so third term. So it's going to be a sub n, so a sub 3 is equal to a sub 3 minus 1, so a sub 2 plus n, so plus 3. A sub 2 we just got. A sub 2 is 3, so this is going to be 3 plus 3, which is 6. Right? And don't try to come to conclusions about a pattern too quickly. This is a little complicated for it to go like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, right? And it doesn't even do that at first, right? Like if I had counted by 3s, then I would have done 1 plus 3 is 4, not 3, right? So be really careful with patterns that seem to pop up. Always make sure you establish a pattern with like at least 3 or so things, so that way you're not like underestimating the problem, I guess. Okay, so for 4, it would be a sub 4. A sub 4 is equal to a sub 4 minus 1, which is a sub 3, and then plugging in a 4. I don't know why I did that because it's going to mess up the next one. But a sub 3 we just got. A sub 3 is 6. So we keep using the answer from the previous one to help us get the next one. This is a recursive series. Or kind of recursive. Recursive-ish. Okay, so we got that. In 5th term. Okay, so that's going to be a4 plus 5. A4 we just got was 10. Plus 5 is 15. Right? And if we're looking for a pattern, it looks like there is a pattern. It looks like we're adding one more each time. That looks like that's what the pattern is. Let's see, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. So the next one would be plus 6. So the next one should be 21. You see that? Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So once you get like 3, 4 or so where like you see a pattern, then yeah, you can go ahead and extrapolate. So you can go ahead and lock that in. But if this was a test or a quiz, I would definitely like double check it. So let's do that. Plus 6. So that's going to be 15 plus 6, which is 21. So yeah, there we go. Right? Always be careful with patterns, but if a pattern is getting more and more obvious, then just kind of go for it, right? So there we go. We got our first 6 terms, and that's the end of that one. Hope that's been helpful. You can check out other videos in the series, and check out other things on my website. Like I have links on there for if you're interested in tutoring, or if you want to download the free PDF guide I have on there called the 5 Math Mistakes Everyone Makes and How to Avoid Them. You can go check that out and get that one for free. And other stuff on the YouTube channel as well. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Blessings, y'all.